Good evening, everyone. Let's analyze Nucleus Software. So, before I begin this video, a quick disclaimer, guys. This is an educational video, and the views expressed are not a buying and selling recommendation. So, please consult your financial advisor if you want to buy and sell shares. So, quickly, let's check the weekly chart. As we always begin, let's try and figure out what's happening in this stock. Extremely volatile stock. You'll notice that this has bouts of up move and then it sort of breaks down. What's interesting is, if you'll see, this is the previous two you know two instances where it sort of broke down from, and now we broke above it and we are trading around it. So from a technical perspective, this looks pretty good and encouraging, that we are trading around and above this overall multi-year resistance line, overall multi-year breakout. So the past, this was in 2007, we are in 2021. It's around after 14 years this stock is breaking out, so something to take note of. And this was in a downward spiral, a slow grinding downward spiral, went down by 73%, um, and it quickly bounced back by around 380% from the COVID lows. Very encouraging volume here, and that's a good sign. Also, if you would notice that after it made a top, it sort of corrected 37%. And this correction has come on very low volume. This is also a good sign. Now, what got me interested is the stock was continuously correcting and then it turned around, and there was this week on higher volume, so that got me interested. So somewhere around here I started monitoring the stock closely. So on the left, what we have is a 200-day moving average which is trending upwards, and a 50 which has gone sideways, evidently because the stock has been going sideways since September 2020. So this gives us an opportunity for a mean reversion trade where the stock was extended, went up very quickly, and then it mean reverted, reversion of mean, and now it has started going up from here. So what was the trade idea? Basically, I was buying within this range. This is the range that I have been buying in. You see some form of consolidation happening here, and it was trying to basically turn around and go up. The trend has changed over here. It is trying to turn around and go up from here. So I have been buying within this range, and my stop loss is of 15 to 16%. So considering the fact that the medium term trend is sideways, I've kept a 15 to 16% stop loss. Another thing to notice, guys, is that this level is a level which has been tested, and the stock has turned around from here, so it is also another good level to watch out for, to keep your stop losses. So how would I manage my risk if this stock turns around and starts trading below the 200-day, below the 50-day, with high volume on a week, 2 week basis? I will be out of this stock. So by having a dynamic stop loss, it gives us enough time to act on it and move out of the stock, out of our trade. So what can possibly play out here? This is a multi. This is like more than a decade, multi-decadal breakout. So my guess is that an up move from here is going to be very explosive and big. So, and the way it is progressing on a weekly basis, these this movement is very encouraging. Let's quickly check the fundamentals. It's a micro cap company, 1600 crores. You may call it small cap also. So 24% of the stock is out with public to trade. They have good amount of cash flow from operations. It's a debt-free company. This is negligible. Okay, you have around 69 crores of cash on the book. Let's quickly come to the profit and loss segment, and what you'll see here is, the sales have been continuously rising, good growth here. The profits have been continuously rising. The profits have seen very good traction since 2018, 2019. Profits have doubled since the past 4 or 5 years, and sales have also gone up substantially. This has happened because they've managed to increase their profit margin. So that is a good sign. Now, if we look at the geographical segment, this is what their revenue stream looks like. They did sales of 181 crores from India, 100 crores from Southeast Asia, Middle East, Far East, Europe, Australia. So, which are the biggest markets for this company? India, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Far East. So, these are the markets that they are catering to. And uh, let's look at the quarterly numbers. Quarter on quarter, December numbers are good, although the sales dipped, but on the back of higher margins, this stock managed to post higher profits. What else? Let's quickly check the valuations from a PE point of view. So, if you will see, since last year, the EPS, the earnings per share, has gone up from 27 to 40. All right. And if we look at if we look, just a moment, guys. If we look at from the PE perspective, the median PE is 14, 15, and the stock is trading at median PE. So we can expect some good up move here. If you see, the PE touched 21, it touched 25 over here. It was around 1920 here. So even if the PE reaches around 15 to 17 or 20, we can expect good returns in this stock. So that's about it, guys. That's the analysis. I am already long on this trade, and I'm monitoring it closely to see how it moves. Thanks a lot, guys.